Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dreddonut Stash. We'll begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth process. Next, we'll dive into the mixing and kneading, transforming simple components into a beautiful dough. Then, we'll explore the art of frying or baking, achieving that golden brown perfection. Finally, we'll cover glazing and proper storage, so your delicious creations stay fresh for days. To start your donut adventure, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, ensuring a sturdy yet tender dough. For sweetness and activation, prepare 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast. Don't forget 1 cup of warm milk, 2 large eggs, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter to enrich your dough, making it wonderfully soft and flavorful. Now, let's get our hands into the dough. First, mix your dry ingredients thoroughly in a large bowl. Gradually incorporate the warm milk, eggs, and melted butter, bringing everything together. Knead the dough for approximately 8 to 10 minutes on a lightly floured surface until it's smooth and elastic. Then, place it in a greased bowl cover and let it proof in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, allowing it to double beautifully in size. Once your dough has proofed, gently roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick and cut your donut shapes. Heat your frying oil to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop in your donuts, frying them for about 1 minute per side until golden brown. After cooling slightly, dip them in a simple glaze made from powdered sugar and a touch of milk. Store your finished donuts in an airtight container to keep them fresh for 3 to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.